Leaving cert higher level 2014 paper 1 question 1 is a cubic function. You're given this graph, it's f of x. You're told to cut the x-axis. You're given the roots here, so we know that these, when we have our roots, we want to change them into factors to get the equation itself, and that's what we're asked to do. Verify it can be written as this. So we don't need this, but -6 will be our constant, so need to make sure we get that. So our factors are x plus 3, x plus 1, and x minus 2. And if we multiply our factors, we're going to get 0. So we're going to get x squared plus 3x plus 1x, x squared plus 4x plus 3. And I like having the linear in front, x minus 2. So we're going to get x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x, and line them up underneath, minus 2x squared minus 8x minus 6. So we're going to get x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. And we can say that's equal to f of x, which is what they asked us to show. QED. Nice intro into the 2014 paper to calm everyone's nerves. B part 1, graph of the function g of x equal to minus 2x minus 6 intersects f of x. Let f of x equal g of x and solve the resulting equation to find the points of intersection. Okay, x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 is equal to minus 2x minus 6. Well, those minus 6's are going to cancel. If we bring the 2x across, we're going to get x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 3x equals 0. And I think the easiest thing to do, well, we can see x equals to 0 is going to be a root. So if we factor out x, that's one of my roots. It's going to leave me with x squared plus 2x minus 3. And if I factor the resulting quadratic, I'll get my other two roots. So we leave the x, I'll just leave it off to the side for a sec. So we're going to get x minus 2. Not x minus 2, x minus plus 3 by x minus 1. That's going to give me my plus 3x minus x. So these are my factors. So my points of intersection, x equals 0, x equals minus 3, and x equals plus 1 from these three factors. And my y values, if x is equal to 0, back up to my function. Just bring it down a tiny bit. When when x equals to 0, not y is equal to 0, when x equals to 0, y is clearly minus 6. When x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 27, plus 18, plus 15, minus 6. It's going to give me 0 as well. That's a 0. And when x is equal to 1, I'm going to get 1 plus 2, minus 3, minus 11, I'm going to get minus 8. And I think it's good maths. We're asked the points of intersection. Write these out as points. 0, minus 6, minus 3, 0, and 1, minus 8. B part 1 or B part 2, we're asked to graph the function g of x on the graph above. So you're given an accurate graph, 0, minus 6. I'll do it in red. 0, minus 6. We also have minus 3, 0, and 1, minus 8. Minus 3, 0, and 1, minus 8. So it came down approximately to about here. I just have to change the graph to fit that point in. So approximately that. Now you were given the graph. Probably do a proper better sketch than that, but you were given the graph, and even if you couldn't do the rest of the question, which at this stage you should be able to, should definitely be able to do it junior cert, put a linear equation on a graph. So a nice easy question to start 2014.